Leo opened his eyes slowly. He was still very sleepy. He looked at the clock on the wall. It was 8:45 in the morning. Leo looked again. 8:45. His new job started at 9 o'clock. Oh no! I am late. I am so late, Leo said. Today was a very big day for him. It was his first day at a new job. He was happy, but he was also very nervous. Leo jumped out of bed fast. He had only 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes. And the office was far from his home. I can't be late today, Leo said. Not today, not on my first day. What will happen to Leo? Will he arrive on time? Let's find out together. Listen slowly and try to understand every word. Leo ran to the bathroom. He washed his face fast. The water was very cold. He brushed his teeth quickly. Then he put on his shirt. Oh no! The shirt was dirty. There was a big coffee stain on it. Not now, please, Leo said. He opened his closet and looked inside. He found another shirt. It was blue and clean. Good, he said. Leo put on his shoes. He put on his jacket. He took his bag. But then he stopped. Wait, where are my keys? He said. Leo looked on the table. No keys. He looked on the sofa. No keys. He looked inside his bag. Still no keys. Leo was really worried now. Then he put his hand in his pocket. The keys were there. Oh, thank you, Leo said. Okay, let's go now. Go, go, go. Leo ran out of his apartment. He ran down the stairs. He ran to the bus stop. Lucky for him, the bus was there. He got on the bus fast. One ticket, please, Leo said to the driver. He paid $2. The bus was full of people. There were no empty seats. So Leo stood near the door. He held the bar with his hand. Leo looked at his phone. It was 8:55. Only 5 minutes left. And the office was still far away. Please be fast. Please be fast, Leo thought. His hands were cold, and his heart was beating fast. Finally, the bus stopped near the office. Thank you, Leo said to the driver. He got off the bus quickly. In front of him was a big office building. It was very tall and modern. Leo took a deep breath and walked inside. Inside, the building was bright and clean. A woman was sitting at the front desk. She smiled at him. Good morning. Can I help you? She said. Good morning, Leo said. My name is Leo. Today is my first day here. Welcome, Leo, the woman said. We are happy to have you. Your desk is on the 3rd floor. You can take the elevator over there. Thank you very much, Leo said. He felt a little better now. Leo walked to the elevator. He pushed the button. Ding! The doors opened. Leo went inside. He pushed the button for the 3rd floor. The doors closed slowly. The elevator started to go up. But suddenly the elevator stopped. Then the light went off. Everything was dark. Oh no! What is happening? Leo said. He was alone in the dark elevator. His heart was beating very fast. Leo pushed all the buttons. He pushed them again and again. But nothing happened. The elevator did not move. Then Leo saw a small red button. There was one word on it. Help! Leo pushed the red button. Hello? Hello? Is someone there? He said. Can anybody hear me? A moment later, a voice came from the speaker. Hello. Don't worry, the voice said. We can see you. We can help you. Please stay calm. Everything is okay. Leo took a deep breath. Okay. Thank you, he said. He waited. 1 minute passed. 2 minutes passed. Then the light came back on. The elevator started to move again. Ding! The doors opened slowly. A man was standing there. He was older than Leo, and he was smiling in a kind way. Are you okay? The man asked. Yes, I am okay, Leo said. But I am late for my first day. I am so sorry. The man laughed softly. It's fine, really, he said. Don't worry about it. Actually, I am your new boss. My name is Mr. Carter. Welcome to the team, Leo. Leo was very surprised. Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Carter, he said. They shook hands. Mr. Carter was very kind. He showed Leo the office. Then he showed Leo his new desk. It was next to a big window. The other people in the office saw Leo. They all said hello. Hi, Leo. Welcome. Nice to meet you, they said. Everyone was friendly and warm. Leo sat down at his desk. He put his bag on the floor. He took a long, deep breath. What a morning! His first day started very badly. He woke up late. He almost missed the bus. He got stuck in a dark elevator. But now, Leo felt happy and calm. Maybe today will be a good day after all, Leo thought. And you know what? It was a very good day. And that is the end of today's story. Did you understand everything? I hope you did. You did a great job. Remember, practice a little every day, and your English will get better and better. If you liked this story, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for a new easy English story. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story. Bye-bye. And keep learning English.